Welcome to the learning material of DFMEA versus PFMEA, presented by Sakti Auto. Have you ever been part of a project where everything looked good on paper, but problems appeared during production or after delivery? In this session, we'll learn how DFMEA and PFMEA help us prevent that, by identifying risks before they turn into failures. Now, let's see what DFMEA and PFMEA mean and how they help us prevent failures before they happen. What is DFMEA? DFMEA, or Design Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, is a method used during the product design phase to identify and prevent potential problems before they happen. It helps engineers consider how a design might fail, what the impact would be if it did, why it might occur, and how likely it is to be detected before reaching the customer. By analyzing these risks early, teams can make targeted improvements to the design, ensuring a better quality, safer, and more performant final product. Let's understand DFMEA with an example. If you're designing a car door handle, failure mode, handle breaks under force. Effect: user can't open the door. Cause: plastic material too weak. Fix: use stronger material or redesign the handle. Benefits: detects design flaws early in development. Design FMEA helps uncover weak points or potential failures in the design phase itself. This allows teams to make improvements before the product reaches production or the customer. Ensures safety, durability, and performance. By analyzing how and why a design might fail, the process supports building safer and more reliable products. It ensures that the design meets the required standards for long-term performance. Reduces the need for costly redesigns. Identifying and fixing issues early prevents expensive changes later in the project. This leads to smoother project timelines and significant cost savings. Improves customer satisfaction through robust design. A well-executed design FMEA results in products that perform as expected with fewer failures. This builds customer trust and satisfaction through higher quality and dependability. What is PFMEA? PFMEA, or Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, is a tool used to identify and prevent potential failures in a manufacturing or assembly process. It focuses on how a process could go wrong, what the effects would be if it did, why those failures might happen, and how well the process is set up to detect them. By doing PFMEA, teams can take proactive steps to improve the process, reduce defects, and ensure consistent product quality before full-scale production begins. Let's understand PFMEA with an example of the CNC machining process. Failure mode: incorrect dimension. Effect: part rejection or assembly failure. Cause: tool wear or wrong program. Fix: use tool live monitoring and validate program before batch run. Benefits: helps design error-proof, poker yoke processes. Process FMEA identifies where human errors or process failures might occur and enables the design of mistake-proofing solutions. This prevents issues before they affect product quality. Minimizes production downtime and rejections. By proactively addressing risks, the process runs more smoothly with fewer stoppages. It also reduces scrap and rework by eliminating root causes of defects. Improves first-time quality. With better control over process variables and risks, more parts are produced correctly the first time. This boosts efficiency and maximizes output without compromising quality. Builds process control through clear documentation. Process FMEA provides structured documentation of failure modes, causes, and controls. This creates a strong foundation for process standardization and audit readiness. Differences. Design level risks. Design level risks. During product design. During process planning. Used by design engineers. Used by process engineers, quality teams. To improve product reliability. To improve manufacturing quality. Summary. Think about a failure that occurred in your past projects. Could it have been avoided with a better design review or a more detailed process risk analysis? Now, we understand the what and why of DFMEA and PFMEA. We'll explore how these tools are applied, step by step, with real examples from design and shop floor environments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning session.